Want to know how to use forms to trigger project creation in project management tools? It's a simple process that can save you tons of time and streamline your workflow, so stick around to learn exactly how to do it. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through how forms can automatically kick off project creation in your PM tool, no manual work involved. Whether you're using this in a CRM or a task management tool, setting up this automation can make life much easier. The key is integrating your form submissions with your project management system. So let's dive right in. First, you need a form tool that integrates with your project management system. For this example, we'll use a popular tool that lets you create forms and sync them with your PM tool. Now, when someone submits a form such as a contact form or a new project request, it triggers the creation of a new project in your PM system. Most project management tools, like the one we're using in this tutorial, allow for form submission automation. To get started, connect your form tool with your PM software. This is usually done through built-in integrations, APIs, or third-party automation tools like Zapier. Once connected, you can customize the form fields to capture the right information for the new project. For example, you can ask for the project name, deadlines, project owner, and any other details relevant to the project. Then, map these fields to the corresponding fields in your PM tool. Next, you'll set up the automation rule. In the automation settings, select the trigger for new form submissions. This will tell the software to automatically create a new project whenever a form is filled out and submitted. You can also choose to add additional actions, like sending an email notification or assigning team members automatically. Once the automation is set up, test the form to make sure it triggers the project creation as expected. Fill out the form and check if the new project appears in your project management tool, populated with the information from the form. If everything looks good, you're all set. This setup is great for businesses that need a smooth workflow for project requests or lead generation. It also cuts down on the repetitive task of manually entering information and starting new projects from scratch. Key takeaway: by using forms to trigger project creation, you're eliminating manual work and improving efficiency across your team. Setting this up is easier than you think and can make a big difference in how quickly projects get off the ground. Before we close, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial for our recommended software in the description below if you want to follow along with this tutorial and take advantage of the automation capabilities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.